Good morning, sunshine. Ready to put minimal effort into maximum style? Yeah, we thought so. Let's get started. I said minimal effort, not no effort at all. Blow dry downwards and brush upwards with your other hand for volume. Start shaping using your hands to create layers and flatten the sides. Take a pea-sized amount of messy fudge. Spread it evenly on your palms. Then repeat step 2. If it gets too difficult, you're doing it wrong. Lightly pull your fringe to add texture and fix your sides if you need to. Why stay in now that you easily own the look that says you can't be bothered to be out? Messy fudge for out-of-bed look. Easy rinse, perfect hold, style memory.